Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another deep dive. Today, we're diving into something that's making waves in training and education, EON Agent from EON Reality.
EON Agent is this AI-powered training assistant designed to transform how we learn, right? It's built into their AR and VR platform. But what's different is how dynamic and adaptable it is.
Yeah, it's not just about creating flashy simulations. It's actually generating immersive content on the fly. Like, imagine you're a medical trainee and you need a surgical simulation. You just give it a text prompt, and boom, an interactive, realistic lesson appears.
And it's all personalized too. If you're excelling at a certain task, EON Agent automatically ramps up the difficulty. But if you're struggling, it tailors the experience to help you improve. It's like having a personal coach guiding you through the process.
And the real-time aspect is a game changer. It integrates live data, so whether you're a logistics worker pulling inventory stats or a healthcare professional monitoring patient data, the training stays accurate and relevant.
Right, and it's not just for healthcare or education. They're talking about manufacturing, logistics, customer service, pretty much any industry where skill building matters. And the best part? It's all device agnostic. Smart glasses, tablets, VR headsets, whatever works.
Plus, it's not just giving you information. It's handling real-world tasks like scheduling assessments, logging progress, and adapting training paths in real time. All of this makes it way more practical than traditional training tools.
And those results are speaking for themselves. Faster training times, better retention, and huge cost savings. They've got stats showing training times cut by 66% in some cases.
Yeah, it's not just learning faster, but learning better. And the fact that it scales globally, that's huge. EON Agent is making personalized learning accessible to anyone, anywhere.
So if you're looking for the future of training, EON Agent might just be it. Want to learn more? Check out EON Reality's latest updates online.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.